Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start now. Plug the USB-C cable into the headphones and a powered adapter so the battery reaches full capacity. This ensures firmware updates install cleanly. While charging, put them on and adjust the headband until you get a good seal. That improves bass and noise cancellation. Once done, power on and hold the button 3 to 5 seconds to enter pairing mode. Make sure your phone or laptop Bluetooth is discoverable so the devices find each other quickly. You should open the Sony Headphones Connect app and follow the guided setup. The app delivers firmware updates and recommended presets, which fix bugs and optimize latency. Then, test active noise cancellation and ambient sound, switch them to hear the difference, and set adaptive sound control to auto-adjust by activity. Next, tweak the equalizer, enable DC if using compressed audio, and try 360 reality audio if supported. You finish by setting multi-point pairing when you need two devices connected. This keeps calls on your phone and music on your laptop seamless. Make sure to store and charge batteries away from heat and avoid draining to zero regularly, because good battery habits prolong life. If something goes wrong, for example no sound or failed pairing, perform a soft reset first, then a factory reset if needed, and repair. This clears corrupted settings and usually resolves stubborn connectivity problems.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.